Hey, in front of me is ONEPLUS 10T, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down and tap on System Settings. From here, select Keyboard and Input Method, then tap on Gboard, and finally, click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are located here. In order to switch on or off one of them, tap on the switcher next to the one of your choosing. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!